What's up, Yo Gang? Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad you're here. Well, today, as usual, I have something to show you, and we are going to talk about it. So watch this intro right quick, and we'll be right back. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for getting my hog skinning video to 1 million views. Thank you. Hey, but let's get back on track. Let me show you what it is I got today. A bag a little tired, but she all right. Check it out. What do you think she is? Let's see. Alright, okay, you ready? Alright. Here she is. This is my Springfield Armory St. Victor 16-inch. Ooh, y'all ain't seen this one in a while. Well, y'all, some of y'all probably haven't seen it. So make sure y'all check out my gun collection video and take a peek. But let's move into the specs really quick. I did throw on a loophole sight on here. It is my choice. It's not my, I shouldn't say my choice. It's what my preference is for my crosshair sights. This one is not a red dot. This has the aluminum upper and lower. It has a fixed stock. What that means is the stock is not moving. It's fixed. There's nothing you can do about it. It's not moving. Which I'm okay with it because it is a longer barrel. So for all that extra, I don't see why would that be necessary. But if you take a look here, it has a nickel flat trigger. And getting into the triggers more, I think I like these flat triggers, which is a good thing. I mean, not a good thing, but which is interesting because I have some others that, I guess I should say I'm torn between them. Okay, I didn't mention it was chambered in 5.56-223. It has the ambidextrous safety switch on both sides, so you have a left side and you have the right side. It has a pretty standard mag release. The bolt release, the mag release is pretty standard. The bolt release is pretty standard. The fixed stock is a MOE. And the grip is, it's not very aggressive, but it has a nice texture to it. But besides that, it's pretty standard. It has a standard AR charging handle, and I like it. So with that being said, let's go inside and take some shots. Alright, yo gang, we got some frangible ammunition. So where I am, you cannot shoot full metal jacket or steel casings because of their backdrop. I'll let you take a look at those when we get inside. So come on, let's go. tangible lead-free ammunition. They are pretty stout. See, it doesn't even have a point on it. It's kind of squished in. Because they say they have steel backdrops, anything different would jeopardize the safety of the shooters. So let's get loaded. Alright, Yoki, I am hardly ever this lucky. There's nobody in here. So now you guys can hear me talk. Oh. It's stuck. Great. Is there a phone? Damn it. I gotta go downstairs. Alright, Yoki fixed it, but I'm just gonna move to a different. Again, there's nobody in here. The rifle is clear. Alright guys, I am not sure how well this site is sighted in. We're going to try it out. We have 20 and 20. The boxes came in 20. So I have 2 mags with 20 and we're going to get the target. It's all the way at the end. I can't tell you how far that is because I can't see. But anyway. I don't know if that would be called considered. Take your breath. Wow. Oh, another thing. It did come with 2 magazines. It came with a low capacity magazine of 10 and a 30 round mag. Can tell everything is right, not centered, and I got a couple straggles down to the bottom, but let's run these last 20 and then I don't know, maybe get some more. These 20 go by fast. Let's run these out. The whole AC cover fell on your girl. Nah, I can't make this up. But anyway, let's look at the target. I know it's far from perfect. The rifle also came with standard flip-up sights, which were awesome. But I wanted to use it for more outdoorsy stuff, so I did put a different scope on it. It's not the scope's fault, obviously, but it needs to be zeroed. So let's see. Slow as molasses. All right, exactly what I was telling you, and I think I can appreciate that a lot with Leupold. Usually when their sights straight out of the box, they're not far, not much adjustment is needed to get it where you need it. Now these hits were me manipulating the rifle so my X was here, but my shots were here. So I moved my X here, and then my shots came over, obvious. So I don't want it zeroed at 25, so I'll end up going to an outdoor range, at least get 50 yards on it, so I can definitely put a hog down with it. But beautiful shoot. I'm not too sure about the ammo. It is very whatever that is that gas or whatever that lets out when you shoot. But for the most part, let's go back to the truck and wrap it up. Come on. I am in here alone. This is why I took off my eye protection. No one is here, and I hope the audio was great and crisp and everybody heard what I said. All right guys, we're outside. I know it was only 40 rounds, but it was pretty costly per box. So just wanted to give you I guess a little rundown or run through with it so that you can see how it goes. But for the most part, I really do enjoy shooting this rifle. Too bad my scope wasn't zeroed in all the way. I think I'm just have too many. And what I'm not doing is paying any specific amount of attention to each one as I get them. And I think I need to start doing that before I move on to the next one. But it's just too much for me not to. But I am gonna get better. I am gonna do better so that once it comes out again, it's a finished product. But for the most part, my St. Victor 16-inch AR pistol, chambered in 223. No, I'm sorry, it's not a pistol. It's a full size. It's a rifle, full size because it is 16-inch. Chambered in 223 5.56. I love it. But let's put this in the truck. Put this in the back seat. Sorry guys, I stand corrected. It's not a pistol. I think this is the only, besides, I have very few of them. I don't have many. all of my ARs are, well, the majority of them are pistols. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little put together that I have for you guys with my St. Victor. She will be out again. Thank you guys for watching.